Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Skittles here. I'm here with your boy Nevic45 here.
What's up, guys? Gta5 here.
Yeah, there he is. Hey. I'm just kidding. Alright, so, we're gonna do this. The little challenge is we're gonna fly across the windmills. So, Alex, put this on your map, like this.
Alright.
And so, we're pretty much gonna have to fly straight through them.
Oh.
So whoever can get the farthest wins. And we're in helicopters. Huh? Go up. It's right here, man. Right there. Right here. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Alright, so. Alright, so we're ready. Alex, you have cops? Alright, let's get this challenge going. Let's go. Alright, oh wow.
I think I'm gonna.
You're supposed to go right through him, Alex. Ah!
Oh, I made it. I made it.
Ah! Oh!
Oh, I made it out. I made it out. Oh, oh shit. Oh,
Ah! Oh!
oh, damn. I made it.
Alex, you're going way too low, little lame.
No, I'm not. I'm actually going right. Oh, fuck. Oh, damn. That was close.
Alright.
Oh, man.
Oh, whoa!
Oh my god, my brother hit him. My brother hit it.
Oh! What the- Last one.
Oh.
Oh! Alright, well, Alex won. But I have a feeling he wasn't going right through him.
No, I was. Look, as you can see.
Alright, so.
Woo.
Alright, so that was. Thanks for watching, guys. And for our next challenge, I think we're going to do it with planes. So, yeah. Anything to say, Nevik?
No, that's good.
Alright, see you guys on my next video. Thanks.